When you hear boxy car, many people think of a huge body, tough lines. For a long time, it was seen as a boy's toy, a tough guy's ride. But this Thai 7 next to me says, "Don't be so rigid. Who says girls can't love me?" So today, let's see from Xiao Wang's view. This Fangcheng Bao Thai 7 is a great travel buddy for girls. Some say it has a Range Rover vibe at first glance. That is because it is a classic boxy shape. Straight lines, full body proportions. Overall, very powerful, whether guy or girl. The Thai 7 is a car you can't help but look back at. Its looks are stunning. In terms of size, the Thai 7 compared to the Defender 110 has a similar presence, but the price is less than half. See the highlight? Who wouldn't love a 186 centimeters tall guy? So for a 165 centimeters girl like me, standing next to it feels very safe. Look closely. The star arc design is boxy and square, yet reveals refinement everywhere. Split headlights with double eyelids. Roof-mounted LiDAR, meaning smart driving. The body lines are restrained, with rounded edges at the corners. No sense of distance. My favorite is this little backpack. It matches the car so well, like pinning a Labubu on your designer bag. Let's open the trunk and take a look. 970 liters of space. Family travel luggage. Fits easily. With the second row folded down, volume reaches 1880 liters. With this opening, family, camping gear, strollers, or road bikes all fit with ease. The Ti7 comes in 7 colors. My favorite is landscape green. It is vibrant and lively, full of spirit, like wild vitality woven into city traffic. This matters a lot, because women can fall in love at first sight too. So this car isn't just rugged. It balances strength and refinement perfectly. Is the boxy SUV easy to drive? I'm sure when choosing a car, you'll have this doubt. Don't let the Ti7's size fool you. It is actually really easy to drive. It features a front double wishbone, rear 5-link suspension. This setup is common in high-end BBA models. The steering feedback lacks the clumsiness of a rugged off-roader. It also has the Yunian-C system via electronic valves. It adjusts damper stiffness in real time, so the car handles any road with ease. Like a magic carpet, soft when needed, firm when needed. When turning, body posture stays excellent, no swaying at all. Over small bumps and dips, there is no excess vibration. This car is tuned for comfort overall. You could say it is rugged outside, but soft at heart. Our model here is a plug-in hybrid, available in 2WD and 4WD. The largest 35.6 kWh battery pack gives a CLTC pure electric range of 200 kilometers, enough for a week's commute on pure EV. Full fuel and charge gives a combined range of 1,300 kilometers, and, with its dual motors, 620 Nm of torque, 0 to 100 kilometers per h, in as fast as 4.5 seconds. Power is always on tap. Overtaking is quick and clean. The chassis is a unibody structure. It feels much more stable than typical boxy SUVs. Boxy SUV, 4.5 seconds. Those two words seem contradictory, but it delivers. It also has 12 drive modes, from snow to mountains to tank turns and crawl mode, whether light, off-roading, or daily city commutes. It handles everything with ease. Tell me, which girl wouldn't love such a versatile car? Besides handling, smart features are also a must. Navigation, music, and other controls. This car covers them all. Hello, Xiaofeng. I'm here. Set AC to 22 degrees. Fan speed 3. Open windows. Turn on seat ventilation. Play Jay Chou's songs. Navigate to Canton Tower. Seat ventilation and windows opened. Temperature set to 22 degrees. Front fan speed set to 3. Playing Jay Chou's songs. Also, navigating to Canton Tower. Which one do you want? Just like Gen Z prefers touchscreens, but parents like physical buttons, the TI-7 keeps plenty of physical buttons. It caters to different needs. Such a thoughtful car. Calling it a gentleman isn't too much. As for the actual features, they're rich and practical. The new stock shifter makes the center console much cleaner. 3 screens, a 15.6-inch central display, a 10.25-inch full digital cluster, and a 26-inch HUD. That is pretty standard now, but rare in a boxy SUV. After driving so long, the seats are still very comfortable. The TI-7 has heated and ventilated seats as standard. Note: all seats, including the rear, the driver's seat, has 4-way lumbar support. Memory and massage functions are all included. The passenger seat has zero gravity mode and a leg rest. Whether as a driver or for daily experience, I really can't find any faults. As a mid to large SUV with a 2,920mm wheelbase, the rear seats are also a highlight. Heated and ventilated. The backrest angle is adjustable. Very spacious legroom. And because it is a unibody construction, the floor is lower and flatter. Enjoy the comfy seats, listen to the 20 speakers, or watch a movie. Grab a cold drink from the fridge. Also, we have the DePilot 100 driver assist system. In city or on highway, it covers daily driving, parking, and active safety. It confidently guides you on every road. To sum it up in one sentence, the TI-7 isn't just a toy for guys. It is more like a partner that can explore with me and take care of me and my family. A woman driving it will also feel very confident. Beyond the dynamic satisfaction. In terms of smart features, the TI-7 offers a lot of real convenience. For example, you can order on the screen and pick up a coffee at a shop. It links with smart devices via the car system, like a child seat, a smart eye mask, and you can even unlock your own drone launch platform. On the 190 km ADUD Ultra version, you can option the drone. One person, one car, one drone, like a film crew. It is all about style. They say a car is a third living space, but at this stage, most are still just transportation. But the features we just described are truly impressive. These features we described all reflect more ways to interact with the car and imagine possibilities. That is the charm of the TI-7. After this test drive, I find the TI-7 quite special. It keeps the rugged, wild side a boxy SUV should have, yet adds smart, comfy, and refined touches. So, it is no longer just a guy's toy but more like an all-around partner. Priced from 179,800 to 219,800 yuan, it gives more people a